Agriculture in the United States is standing at one of the most challenging and transformative moments in modern history. Across the country, farmers are waking up every morning with uncertainty, uncertainty of market prices, uncertainty of global trade decisions, uncertainty of climate conditions, and uncertainty of the future of American farming. In the past few weeks, major developments have shaken America's agricultural sector, from controversial beef import policies to rising production costs to global trade pressures. The American farmer is once again at the center of economic, political, and environmental storms. And today, in this 10-minute lecture, we are going to understand what exactly is happening, how it impacts the farming community, and what the road ahead looks like for the future of American agriculture. Recently, the debate intensified when U.S. leadership hinted at importing beef from Argentina, claiming it could reduce meat prices for American consumers. But the reaction from American cattle producers was loud and clear. They believe this move threatens local farmers, who are already struggling with high input costs and shrinking profits. According to farmer associations, this is not just a trade decision. It is a direct hit on the American ranching backbone. While policymakers argue that imports create competition, farmers argue that competition without protection is destruction. And this debate has once again highlighted the biggest question in global trade. Who is the priority, the American farmer or the American market? At the same time, U.S. agricultural debt has reached alarming levels. Many farmers are facing higher loan interest, higher machinery cost, higher fuel cost, and unpredictable price swings. For many family-owned farms, profits are no longer guaranteed. Farmers are producing more, but earning less. And when costs rise and profits fall, even a single bad harvest, a single drought, a single market crash can break a farmer emotionally, financially, and generationally. Across rural America, many farmers say the same sentence: "We love farming." But farming is not loving us back.